Well, this is Royal Doulton Arcadia H4802, I think from memory. Just let me double check that. Yeah, 4802. Made from a long period of time by Royal Doulton, between 1938 right the way up to 2000. But there's a differential date break at 1959 when they moved from the green China mark to this brown China mark. So these duos are actually made between 1959 and the year 2000. Arcadia was a very popular pattern, had a very long life of production, and it's no wonder it's this beautiful floral bouquet design on a rib rolled or rotated moulded teacup coming up on a pedestal foot. Nice handle. The only green detailing on this particular set is around the handle sides, which is in fine condition, and the base plate's in very nice clean condition. Little saucer again, nicely rotated rib moulding, as you can see in the rims of this saucer. 3 blocks of the Arcadia transfer pattern, pink cabbage roses and other floral garlands, and again on the brown Royal Doulton lion and crown marks. Arcadia H4802. Now please note that these have got slight little drill marks in it, indicating that this was sold by Royal Doulton as a second. I've gone all over it and I can't see any transfer faults or other moulding faults on any of this. So it's in very nice clean condition and a very beautiful vintage piece of Royal Doulton Arcadia H4802 for one lucky buyer, because I think there's only one of these duos that's come out of the box so far. Available on the Vintage and Antiques website with the link below taking you directly to the listing for this duo. Thanks for watching.